Hello, and welcome to this Bizmates Words and Phrases video series for Japanese business people. And today I'm excited about this question, this phrase. Could you elaborate on this? But I have to hold my excitement because we have our usual test first. Okay, so here's our test. And my question is, what does your work schedule depend on? Okay, you should say it depends on the day, or it depends on the amount of work I have, it depends on my boss, it depends on projects, and so on. Okay, so this one, could you elaborate on that? Elaborate, it's kind of a big word, but it's so useful. Because imagine a situation where someone says something like this, Taro, I think we should increase our budget. And you don't really understand what he's saying. You don't really understand, but you're afraid to say, sorry, Hika, I don't understand. You feel a little bit shy, and you kind of ignore it. Well, some people will say, yeah, Hika, could you please give me more details? Which sounds a little bit unnatural. Now, instead, you could use this expression here. Okay, so I think we should increase our budget. Could you elaborate on that? And it means, could you tell me more about your idea? Because I'm interested. Could you explain that in more detail? Because I want to know. Okay, it makes you sound smart, it makes you sound interested. Could you elaborate on that? And it's how you say it that really makes the difference. Okay? So let's practice this. It's not could you elaborate on that, but it's could you elaborate on? Could you elaborate on? That? It's not t, but it's that. Could you elaborate on that? Okay, let's try. Could you elaborate on that? Okay, one more time. Could you elaborate on that? Okay. So I'm going to give you an idea. You don't understand, so you want more details. You say this. I think we should increase our budget. Okay, good. So for homework, I just want you to practice this phrase. Could you elaborate on that? Could you elaborate on it? Because next time, I'm going to say, hey, I think we should do something. And you're going to say, yeah, Hika, could you elaborate on that? Okay, so that's for homework. Practice it a few times. Okay, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.